lovelies, Amelia here. Today I want to show you how to do a Christmas pudding. It's quite a simple thing. I've just eaten some Christmas pudding. So I'm going to show you how, I mean it's not Christmas yet, depending on when you're watching this. But yes, it's a Christmas pudding. I quite like it. It looks kind of fun. So we're going to draw it. So all you're going to need is paper. Can't find my pen. We need paper, landscape, and a pencil. I'm going to do a felt tip just because I need to show you. So it's super easy. All you're going to do, great big rainbow. So great big rainbow. And you're going to join this up. Go. I mean, honestly, you can't get any simpler than this picture, but it's just, it looks really effective when we colour it in. Then you're going to go, can you see how I've not done it in the corner, I've done it here. And then you're just a bit like a flying saucer. It really reminds me of a flying saucer. You're going to go, ah, just join it up. Try and get these bits to be rounded because it's going to be quite like a plate. It's supposed to be a plate or a bowl. And then you want to just do one line there, one line there, ta-da! Join it up. I think that's kind of, yeah, looks exactly like a flying saucer, doesn't it? So now we're going to do on the top. So we want 3 berries. 3 berries. 1, make them quite large if you can. It's quite yummy, doesn't it? And then we're going to do the icing. Now, when icing drips down from any cake, you kind of want to go, ooh. It's just really wobbly. That's what you want to do, kind of a wobbly shape. There you go. I don't even like Christmas pudding very much, but it's a really fun thing to have or to try. And then line out, line out. Now this is how I do holly. So I just go like this. Can you see me doing it? A lot of people find that hard. It's almost like you're creating W's. So start there. It's like that. Can you see? Whoa. Ta-da! Now, how simple is that? That is my Christmas pudding. So I'm going to rub out a few things. So inside the leaf, we don't want that Christmas pudding line. Or in the berries. You don't want it there as well. Just did my Christmas shopping and I've eaten quite a lot of it already. But you know, never mind. Right, now I'm going to use chalk, but here I used oil pastel. But I think chalk's quicker, so it's easier for you to watch the video and do it. But if you've got oil pastel, definitely do that. Paint would work really well. And so would watercolour pencil or just a normal pencil. So first I'm going to choose a colour that looks a bit like a Christmas pudding. So I've got chalk and I'm doing this type of colour. It's quite light, isn't it, for a Christmas pudding? But hang on a moment because I'm going to show you what happens. Okay, now I'm going to get another colour. That's this colour. It's kind of like a reddy brown, like a brick. And I'm just going to use it to kind of go over and like that. Do you know what? Then I'll get another brown. So there's my brown. And with this dark brown, I'm just going to put like a layer at the bottom. And I'm going to smudge a little bit, if I can. I'm going to get it all over my face. Can you see the different browns? It kind of looks more like a Christmas pudding. I wouldn't mind a Christmas cake right now, actually. Right, so that is my Christmas. Can you see how it's kind of cool? Then, if you want, you know you've got those berries and you've got nuts and various things in it. You can just draw those on top with a darker brown. That would look really good. I did it there as well. Any colour plate you would like. So I like a red plate, but you could do a blue. I mean, you could do any colour, but I'm just, Christmassy for me is red. Wow, that's a nice red, isn't it? And because I don't like keeping the same red, I could have a different red underneath. That's a better red actually, isn't it? Wow. Now, you can smudge that in if you're using chalk. You can smudge that in. What's nice is if you can't see the edge, you can just get a chalk and go around it like a dark chalk. Now, I'm going to do my berries now. My berries. Ooh, doesn't look too great with the smudgy bits. Right, then think about 2 different greens. Always looks really amazing. So half of the holly leaf, I'm going to do a lighter green. Pause this video obviously if you need to. Don't worry. I can come back to it if I'm going too quick. Like, subscribe and share as well because it's helpful. Ooh, just smudged it, didn't I? Oh man. Okay, look, it's fine if you smudge it. It's easy, isn't it? Just to think, ah! But do not worry. All is fine. Now, it would be nice, I think, to outline everything, but the icing you don't just want to leave as it is. Can you see the icing here? It's kind of nice if you outline it in something. So I'm going to take this colour that looks a bit like a cream colour. Could be a grey if you want, but you only want to outline a little bit of the special cream that's on it. It could be custard, it could be yellow if you want. You could do different coloured puddings, that'd be really fun. So I'm just smudging around the edges. I was going to put musical notes in the background, but I don't know why, because a Christmas pudding probably wouldn't be singing, but maybe it would. Now what I'm going to do, I think, is you could take a black, I'm going to take a dark brown. I'm just going to outline everything, because I do like a bit of outlining. You wouldn't normally outline on everything, but because they're kind of like cartoony Christmassy things, it's quite fun to see it looking really like it stands out when you outline. It's cool. As long as you don't jog yourself like I've just nearly done. I don't know if I'd outline, maybe I would outline there. That was quite a lot to outline, I thought. I'm just going to smudge a little bit. I love chalk because it just leaves a really nice look. I'm just going to draw around the chalk. It doesn't matter if it comes a bit like smudgy, it's okay. I'm quite liking this. I think I like this more than the other one I did. Et voila! There we are, there's my Christmas pudding. You could do 3 in a row actually, you could decorate it. So there is my oil pastel Christmas pudding. I really like the blue that I did, actually, I'm looking at it now. But that's my other Christmas pudding. If you wanted it more realistic, you can put some dark brown just here, because it's normally dark on the edges. And that was quite a quick Christmas. I think it'll probably be longer to eat it than actually draw it. Not that you'd eat this one. So have fun, subscribe, like and share, and let me know how you get on. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.